Hi guys, this is me Poonam and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. As you can see, the title of the video is how to write professional emails and some email etiquette. So let's start with the video. So first one is subject. Subject of an email reflects the contents of your email. It tells about that what is in your email box. So I suggest that it should be short and to the point and use the words which reflects your message. Number two comes greetings. So we should always start our email with some greetings. For this, you can use hi, hello, dear, or good afternoon, good morning. Don't use sir or ma'am because nowadays in corporate world it is very less used. But you can always use it for the top level management or some very senior level person. You can also write after that, hope you're doing well. But this is suggested to use only when you know that person personally. So third one comes body of the email. So when you're introducing or informing about some topic, then you can start with this is to inform you that, or this is to let you know, or just to let you know. If you're following up on a previous discussion or email, then can you start with like as we discussed, or to follow up on our previous mail or previous discussion. When you're asking and requesting something, then you can start in this way. For example, I would like to know if, when, how, etc., whatever. Could you please let me know, or could you confirm? Do you know if, or do you have any details or update? When you want to start by saying thanks, you can write, thanks for getting back to me, or thanks for providing your valuable time. Thanks for connecting me after a long time. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing great. Thank you for showing interest in our product or whatever. One is about attachment. First point, that don't forget to mention your attachment in your mail if you're attaching some file or any file. It is recommended that don't attach for shorter messages. Just try to copy and paste in the mailbox simply. You can also zip for larger files instead of sending it many times. You can zip those files. So fifth one is how to end your email, the ending part. So you can write for this, I'll let you know, or please keep me posted. Looking forward to hearing from you. So let's see some examples of professional sign-offs that includes best regards or simply regards. Sincerely is generally used for governmental authorities, so it isn't recommended here. You can also say thank you simply. For this, I will recommend you to add a signature in your email or Outlook account. You can find this option in under settings menu. In signature, write your name with your contact number, and you can also write your designation and company's name. So here are some tips for effective use of emails. Number one, avoid using all caps because it shows that you're yelling at that person. But at the same time, don't use all small because it shows laziness. Tip number two. Now talking about recipients of your email. There are three parts: to field, CC field, BCC field. In to field, they are the direct addresses of your email. They are the people whom you're directly addressing, whom you're directly writing, from whom you expect to reply or follow up on the email. CC stands for carbon copy or courtesy copy भी कहते हैं. It's for anyone whom you want to keep in the loop in, but you're not actually directly addressing to them. That the persons in the CC field is being sent a copy of your email as an information only. Commonly people जो है वो CC में अपने managers या supervisors को रखते हैं to let them know that an action has been taken on or provide a record of communications. So general ये है कि जो भी recipients in the to field होते हैं, they are expected to reply, और जो भी CC field में होते हैं they need not to reply. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी न्यू ज्वाइन करता है अगर, या फिर कोई भी न्यू पर्सन को आप किसी ऑलरेडी प्रीवियसली चल रही में कम्युनिकेशन में ऐड करना चाहते हैं, तो आप उस पर रिप्लाई ऑल का बटन प्रेस करके सिंपली स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द मैसेज में प्लस प्लस उसका नाम, पर्सन का नाम लिख सकते हैं, या फिर सिंपली प्लस प्लस, सो दैट जो भी अदर पर्सनस होंगे मेल में, सीसी में या टू में, उन सबको पता चल जाएगा कि येस न्यू पर्सन हैज़ बीन एडेड टू दिस कम्युनिकेशन. BCC is blind carbon copy. Everyone knows कि this is generally to maintain the privacy. So आप किसी को भी BCC में रखते हैं तो टू पर्सन जो होता है उसको नहीं पता चलता है कि आपने किसी को BCC में भी रखा है. Tip number 3. Before hitting the send button, always proof you read your email. Check spelling, grammar, punctuation, and the address of the recipient. Tip number 4. Use carefully reply all button always. Tip number 5, use of auto response in case you're going on leave or vacation. आपके Gmail या Outlook में ऑटो रिस्पॉन्स का ऑप्शन भी है, जैसे कि आप छुट्टी पे जाते हैं या लॉन्ग वीकेंड पे जा रहे हैं तो आप ऑटो रिस्पॉन्स सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि दैट आई एम ऑन लीव, आई विल बी ऑन दिस और दैट डे, so that the person, whoever is keeping in your CC or TwoFin, will get to know that you're on leave. Tip number 6, don't use a lot of abbreviations or acronyms because they're generally commonly used abbreviations in the business world. So let's discuss some examples for that. So that's all for the today's video. I hope you liked it.